In this video, we're focusing on step 3 of our integration game plan. It's crucial to keep the big picture in mind. Steps 1 and 2 covered how we integrate and how we use algebraic or trig manipulation to match one of our keys. But what do we do when we can't use algebra or the usual trig identities/reductions to rewrite the integral so it fits a key? That's exactly what this video is about. It's step 3. What to do when algebra and trig manipulation fail and we don't get any of the keys. This is a very important video because these are precisely the kinds of integrals you'll see in your exam. The full video is only available to our awesome ebook course students. In our ebook course, all your videos live in one place, together with the ebook and downloadable cheat sheets. No more 2 a.m. doom scrolling on YouTube before a test. Everything's in one spot to help you succeed at Calculus 1 the first time. Let's be honest, I'm not here to convince you of the beauty of calculus. I'm not a professor who can talk for 3 hours about how elegant differentiation is. This is damage control to get you through Calc 1 so you can move on with your degree and with your life. This is your please don't ever make me redo this class again plan. And it's all at a student-friendly price that costs less than a mid-tier restaurant meal. Not even steakhouse level, more like a fancy burger with just one side. See you inside the ebook course.